That was not apparently the purpose for the swap line or the currency acquisition. It was rather to support President Milei and the government in Argentina. Is it likely it could have supported? I've seen, for example, speculation it relieves some pressure for a possible devaluation of the peso.
Right. So, I mean, maybe we can take a step back and trying to start from where the government of Argentina was trying to achieve. So as soon as President Milei went into power, they went into this shock therapy of cutting fiscal spending quite aggressively, and then a large devaluation of the nominal exchange rate. And then after that, they essentially established a band, a crawling band, as he said. So the depreciation of the pesos was very controlled and very slow, if you want. Of course, in last year, the economy went into a recession. Inflation was very high, doubled north of 200%, at least quoting IMF numbers that were just released at the October annual meetings. Then the forecast was for this year to the economy to sharply rebound in positive growth territory and inflation to come down. The challenge with this intervention in the spot market and the outright purchases is unless you manage to address the fundamental forces that are driving the exchange rate, those tend to be very short relief, and historically that's how they have been. And so historically the people often talk about the tablita in Chile and Argentina. Those were exchange rate based stabilization plan, devaluation, then slow devaluation of the currency in try to bring inflation down, and the central bank at some point historically has run out of foreign currency. That was the driving and fundamental forces behind that.